Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make corned beef and cabbage and show you how easy it is to do. Alright, we'll see you in a minute. We start this dish with one packaged corned beef, one small head of cabbage chopped, 10 to 15 red potatoes, small, approximately 2 cups of carrots chopped, 2 cups of celery also chopped with the celery leaves, 1 medium onion, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 packet pickling seasoning. To start this dish we're going to use a crock pot and I'm going to turn it on low. We're going to take and put our corned beef fat side up. And this is a point cut corned beef. On top of that, we're going to layer our cabbage. We're only going to use half now and half later. Okay, so we'll spread that out. We'll put in our potatoes, our carrots, our celery. I use the leaves from celery. We're going to put in brown sugar. This does sweeten it up a bit, takes away the bitter taste of the pickling seasoning. We have our pickling seasoning, 1 medium onion. I'm going to add 4 cups of water. We've added our water, which is 4 cups. We're going to cover it. We're going to make sure it's on low. And we're going to let it cook for 6 to 8 hours. So it's been 7 hours and we're going to turn it off now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my new gadget here to scoop out. Oh my gosh. The vegetables. And remember, we cooked it the fat side up. So what we're going to do is take and rotate it, put it down. Alright, now we'll get into it. Ooh. It's literally falling apart. Look at that. Alright, we'll plate it up and we'll be back in just a minute. Here you have the easiest, most delicious St. Patrick's Day meal. You have your corned beef and cabbage, red potatoes, carrots. I hope you enjoy. Alright, we'll see you soon. Bye!